If you are looking to improve speed, performance, and responsiveness, especially for gaming or heavy multitasking, this tweak is a must. Let's jump right in. In this tutorial, I will show you how to unleash the full potential of your CPU by enabling all processor cores in Windows 10 or 11. Press Windows key plus R on your keyboard to launch the Run dialog box. In the box, type msconfig, then hit enter. This will open the system configuration window. In the system configuration window, click on the boot tab at the top. Next, click the advanced options. This will open the boot settings. In the boot advanced options window, check the box that says number of processors. Now click on it. From the drop down, select the highest number available. This represents the total number of CPU cores your processor has. The more cores enabled, the more processing power Windows can utilize. Next, click on OK. Back in the main system configuration window, click on Apply, then click on OK. You will be prompted to restart your computer. Click Restart to apply the new settings. This can help speed up boot times, improve multitasking, and boost overall performance, especially in CPU-intensive tasks. And after making this change, keep an eye on your system's temperature and stability using tools like HW Monitor or Core Temp, just to ensure everything runs smoothly and safely. If this helped you out, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more quick performance tips and Windows optimization tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.